Here at BCMC, and I am staying with Sandun for Q4S. Sandun, thank you for joining me.
Thank you, Dave. It's nice to be here.
Tell us a little bit about what you guys do here.
So we are a software development company.
Yeah.
We have long experience in building software for component manufacturing industry.
Okay.
We are the team who built digital QC for SBCA that is used by industry-wide, almost all the truss manufacturers in the industry. So we build custom solutions for anyone in the industry. We have long experience in the domain.
Yeah.
So that's where, if anybody needs custom software, they can come to us.
So when you say QC, are we talking about quality control?
Yes, yes.
And what does your software do? Like, so if I'm looking at a truss manufacturer, where does the quality control come in?
So our software can, actually what we build for SBCA can take a picture of the truss when it's there and load the design and compare it and see whether it's built according to the spec and make sure, and then if it is not, they can mark the problems and submit it, and all the data is available in the server, and then we can generate several reports, and all these can people can keep track on QC and manage it, and there are a lot of things, because earlier people used to do it with pen and paper. Now there's a lot of improvements and also very large industrial adoption to new digital QC, and we are very happy about that.
So is it a camera? Like, is it taking a picture? How does it work? Walk me through it.
Just a phone or tablet, anything that you have.
So anybody's phone or tablet can do it?
Yeah, it's a cross-platform. It works in iPhone, iPad, Android, Windows Surface, tablet, anything that you have. Yeah.
So you're in the truss and panel side of the business. Where are you headed next?
We are like to establish here in this truss process because we are gaining experience, and more and more companies are coming to us and ask for doing custom software solutions. So we are becoming this custom software company in the industry. So we would really like to gain more experience, learn. Just today I was in this IT roundtable in the SBCA, and I learned a lot of issues in the industry, and we have solutions, we discuss solutions. So there is a lot of interest in our work. I'd like to be established more in this domain before heading to the next one.
Yeah, and I mean, I think that's what it's all about. And you have a great audience of some of the best truss and wall panel builders here in the components industry, because they are using automation as well. Yeah. And your system's actually really fitting in to cut down on well, it's the quality control, cut down on mistakes in the field. And you're telling me with my phone or a tablet, no matter who I am, I can take a picture of something and it can catch errors if it's happening.
Yeah, that's what SBCS Digital QC do. But our competencies go beyond Digital QC. We have built a order management system. We have built a project management system. So we have built the actually truss part control softwares. So there are a wide variety of industry-related softwares that we can build. And we have the domain knowledge. We have worked with all the file types. We know what is lumber, what is nail plate, how they goes, what are the joints. So that's what lacking in many software developers, but we have this domain knowledge. That's why this industry will benefit from us, and we will benefit from this industry.
And that's what I love coming to these shows, because I get to meet people like yourself. You know, we've run into each other a few times. Your technology's growing, people are adopting it, you know, and I think that's what's amazing. And you're in what part of the world?
I'm based in Finland.
In Finland?
Finland is also a forest country. There are a lot of wood industry, but most of our clients are from
the
US.
United States, for sure. And I met quite a few of them, so and nobody's saying anything bad about you yet.
No. That's what we want to keep it like. We have 100% record from any of our clients. If you talk to them, they will tell what we do, how we do. We want to keep our integrity and reputation. That's why if somebody comes to us, they will never regret. They will be very happy to recommend us to anybody else. So.
Listen, you are running with some of the biggest players here, and they wouldn't be running with you if you weren't doing good stuff for them. I think that's really cool.
We are very happy about that.
I love it. All right, how do people get a hold of you, Sandun?
They can come to our website. It's www.qforas.dev, and you can find me in LinkedIn. Just send me a message. I will be very happy to talk to you. Of course, we don't charge for you for talking, and I'm very happy to advise you if you have any problems. So it just, you know, sharing knowledge, learning from each other, and we grew as an industry, and there are a lot to be done in digital transformation in this component manufacturing industry. So we are very happy to play a big role in that. So
awesome.
That's our mission.
There you have it, everybody. Sandun, Q4Us. I'm Dave Cooper. I am at BCMC. We will see you later. Thanks for watching.
Thank you, everyone.